For decades, AutoCAD has served you and your team well. And as the software has gotten better over time, so have you. So why would you consider a change? Let's take a look at the top 5 reasons AutoCAD users upgrade to Inventor and the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. At number 1, you can make your design process agile. Parametric 3D modeling allows for intent and relationships to be created between geometric features, leading to a significant reduction in time spent incorporating design changes. A single parameter can cascade geometric updates throughout the model. At number 2, you can better communicate your design with 3D. 3D models provide a clearer understanding of what is happening in your design, so issues and opportunities for improvement that are difficult to discern in 2D become more readily apparent. In addition, 3D models can be used to generate high-fidelity renderings and animations, so you can show off your product to the world with stunning visualizations. At number 3, you can automate product configuration. With the addition of parameters, rules can be defined that automatically configure products to customer specification. This not only reduces engineering time spent on configuration, so they're free to work on other valuable projects, but your sales team can be equipped with the configurator to more rapidly respond to RFPs. At number 4, you can streamline the transition from design to manufacturing. When working with 3D parametric modeling, manufacturing deliverables can be generated automatically and updated anytime the model is changed. BOMs are derived from the 3D CAD model and can be version managed. CAM software can rapidly produce CNC toolpaths. At number 5, you can test and analyze designs early. Using simulation tools integrated into the modeling environment provide the opportunity to test and analyze designs early and throughout the development process. From tolerance stackups to stress and thermal analysis, you can get immediate feedback on your design decisions with the ability to easily modify the model to incorporate design enhancements. Ready to learn more about the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection? Contact us at info@a2ktechnologies.com.au.